Good day to all prospective employer in Hong Kong. My name is Michelle Derain, 45 years old, high school graduate, widowed. I have 5 kids, 3 boys and 2 girls. I have an experience as a domestic helper in Abu Dhabi. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 kids. I have also an experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I served 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper are washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of the child, and breathing by us on my own. I have a song also for the baby. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, and your face is surely show it. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. I overcome my own sickness by making myself to enjoying my job. To all prospective employer in Hong Kong, if you will hire me, I will do my best to follow rules and regulation. Looking forward to my new employer and promise to finish my contract. Thank you and have a good day.